We'll definitely find pine cones here.
Cínte.
Huh? What are you doing?
The ground is nice and bouncy.
Panchilas, Fia!
Woohoo! Oh, look! I see a pine cone.
Found one.
I found a big one! Misha Freshen.
Misha Freshen, there are so many.
Behan Shaw. This pine cone looks very different.
That's not a pine cone.
It's Yogi. A baby hedgehog.
Baby hedgehogs usually stay with their families. Is she lost?
And we'll do Kailta, Gronyog. No, be Borja. Don't worry. We need to help him find his clann.
Yeah, come on.
Let's find your family.
Come with us, Cara. That's right. Cara, we're your new friends. And we'll help you find your clann.